So DESMOS is the calculator that you're going to use at home. Let's say you don't have a TI Inspire, or you're doing AVL learning and you're not going to purchase it, but you still want to have a calculator. This is what DESMOS is good for. I do have a link for this in our Google Classroom, so you may want to click this. You can also download this on your phone. So I'm going to do the example that we've already done. And what DESMOS has the ability to do is graph the function, and then you'll be able to see what it looks like, and then you can evaluate the function at 9. So all you want to do is you want to type in right here where it says 1. We're just going to type in our function. The only thing I can't do is put this W and N. I'm going to change that to f of x because that's what the calculator recognizes. So I'm going to just type f of x, so parentheses, and then have the x in the middle. Then I have my equal sign, -2. Then I'm going to put x instead of n. So notice as I'm typing it, my function is being graphed. Okay, so now that my full function is in there, this is my whole graph. So you can move it around and you can shift it and kind of play around with it and see different things that you want to see. Okay, our goal here is to see where we want to evaluate W of 9 or F of 9. And we want to get that Y value. So I could just go to 9 and kind of just look and see where it meets. So we see it's meeting here at -20, which is our answer. Another thing you can do is actually add in a second function. So if they give me x is 9, I can actually tell the calculator, hey, I want x to be 9. Okay, then it'll give me a vertical line. And now I'm just looking for my intersection point. So I see that it's crossing at -20. So that's kind of like saying when x is 9, your y is -20. So that's the same exact thing. Okay. One more thing you can do. It does work as a basic calculator. So let's say you didn't even want to graph it and you just wanted to actually plug in 9. I can do that like so. So I'm just going to type it in and it's going to tell me that answer right there. Okay. So I hope you find this video helpful, regardless of if you use DESMOS or TI Inspire. This is something that should help you on the next test.